G'day, just a little project I'm doing. Little mission needs to be done, just like everything else needs to be done on a lot of things. Just making up this little bracket right here. It needs a rod. I've got the rod, but it's a bit too thick. I need a bit smaller. And yeah, I thought I know I've got other projects on the go. I've got a lot of things going. I've got something major coming up. I hope you enjoy it, but I can't spoil the secret just yet. But it's not small, I'll give you that. And yeah, it's going to be a wicked time. I've been working on it already, and the owner said I can do some YouTubing on it and show this thing, but I can't spoil it just yet. But today I'm just doing something small, like I enjoy putting around. That's me. So virtually this, I'm going to grind down a bit more because it's a bit too thick and I want it a bit smaller, and it's not doing much, but all going is up and down, and I should lock the thing better, the door. So anyway, I'm going to do some grinding with it, and I'm going to G-clamp it down so it doesn't run away and everything else. I'll just put these up here for a sec. Let's see if you can see me or not. No, too high. It's the thing not having a... Look at that. Yeah, it's not too bad. Let's get to work and clamp this thing down, and yeah, and see how far I get with it. If I could muffle the sound, I will, but I don't know how to do that yet. But yeah, here we go. Hang on, I forgot one point thing. It's called plexiglass, and they are sitting right here. Now we can go. Safety first, kids and everyone. But some people don't do it, but yeah. So that's done. Let's see how good it goes now. Clamps off. Glasses off. Oh, and yes, she's still pretty hot. She's pretty blue. So, yeah, should have something laying around I might leave you there. Batch going flat, rookie error. Oh, not really. Yes, true. But I'll be back.